Cool. Okay, there. Finally did it, dude. I don't know why it took so long to go ahead and do that level. Okay. Oh, oddly enough, this level, I never expected for this level to actually be as fun as it is. I think it's just strictly because I am really good, like, with shipping anyways, and I think that personally was what kind of carried me with this level. But no, I felt like this level was really fun. It was pretty enjoyable. Gameplay, it does have its weird moments, some weird patterns you have to learn, and the decorations a little outdated, but besides that, it's fun. Huge recommend.